Top 10 Best Fat Burning Exercises, Fat Burning Workouts at Home. Try not to want to go to the rec center. With these free fat-consuming exercise recordings, you don't require a rec center enrollment, or even any gear, so far as that is concerned. The best exercises are continually going to be those that comprise of moves that draw in various huge muscle gatherings. You can without much of a stretch take a basic, ordinary conditioning move and transform it into something progressively effective that gives you the most value for your money for each second that you spend on your exercise. While it takes a variety of sorts of preparing to arrive at balanced wellness, quality preparing, cardio, extending, and so forth, absolute body quality preparing and HIIT, high power span preparing, are best for consuming off muscle versus fat rapidly. Apply this idea to the activities that make up your schedules and they become dynamic, fat-consuming exercises. Here are the best instances of exercise recordings that set this guideline to work. High power span preparing exercises utilize short eruptions of extremely exceptional movement to knock up your digestion, consume fat, and even form fit muscles somewhat. A considerable lot of these require no hardware by any stretch of the imagination. Models. 45-minute HIIT cardio and abs workout, insane at-home fat burner, interval cardio training and core. Merciless HIIT ladder workout round 2 advanced workout to push your limits. Butt and abs Tabata workout, fat blasting cardio interval workout. Complete body strength training, lift intensely enough to challenge yourself and you will raise your digestion non-stop, making it simpler to remain fit. Models. Kelly's Superset total body strength workout, calorie torching, muscle building, fat burning workout. Constant endurance kettlebell workout 33-minute total body kettlebell routine. All-out body boot camp workout for lean muscles, work for what you want. HIIT and strength training combined, HIIT and quality blends to make for speedy wellness gains and sore muscles in the most ideal way that could be available. Models. 35-minute total body toning strength and HIIT cardio workout, you versus you. Assemble a booty workout 27-minute butt and thigh workout for a round lifted butt and great legs. Chest area superset workout with fat-burning cardio intervals, arm, chest, back and shoulder workout. Wellness Blender 1000 calorie workout videos, a Fitness Blender signature exercise video, ruthless exercise recordings that consume 1000 calories, for cutting-edge exercises as it were. Models. 1000 calorie workout video, Fitness Blender's 84-minute HIIT cardio, strength, and abs. 1000 calorie workout video, 94-minute insane bodyweight workout challenge, attempt at your own risk. 1000 calorie workout video, HIIT, strength training, abs and obliques workout to burn 1000 calories. For instance, consider the bicep twist. It is a very successful essential quality preparing or conditioning development. In any case, 3 arrangements of them isn't actually going to wrench up your calorie consuming heater or counteract that cheeseburger and microbrew you had for supper the previous evening. Rather than secluding only the bicep, you could consolidate the move with a lurch to altogether support the caloric consume, and at the same time tone your lower body. Here are the absolute best bodyweight just activities that utilization different muscle gatherings. Top 10 best fat burning exercises. 1. Burpees. This at-home cardio move conditions your center, chest area and legs at the same time. It's a triple danger practice that everybody will in general fear in light of current circumstances. They are hard. Be that as it may, they additionally work. 2. Jumping lunges. Lunges are a fabulous thigh conditioning exercise, include the energy required to bounce up in the middle of lurches and the move transforms into an unbelievable calorie burner. 3. Jackknife crunches. Jackknife crunches are a propelled stomach move that draw in both the upper and lower abs for maximal conditioning at all measure of time. They are particularly helpful on the grounds that lower abs can be difficult to focus without hardware. 4. Lunges with reverse leg raise. This tones the glutes, thighs, obliques, and lower back, all while building coordination and equalization. 5. Jumping squats. Do this activity for a moment or two straight and you won't have any questions about how testing it is. This plyometric is likewise extraordinary for building dangerous speed. 6. Push-ups. Push-ups are an absolute body practice that are handily altered and can be made to be testing, in any event, for the most devoted exerciser. In the event that a customary push-up feels unreasonably simple for you, attempt the single leg push-up. 7. Side planks with leg raises. While this most explicitly focuses on the external thighs, obliques, and deltoids, it requires the quality and coordination of the whole body to hold up the base Pilates sideboard. 8. Lateral jumps. Tone your center, glutes, and thighs with this one straightforward Pilates move. Since the entirety of the huge muscle bunch is included, you consume a high number of calories while you are conditioning. 9. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers can feel like a discipline, however they really are extraordinary compared to other by and large conditioning and fat copying moves out there that don't require a touch of hardware. 10 jumping jacks. This straightforward at-home cardio fundamental is a magnificent method to get your pulse up rapidly. Included in the middle of solidarity, preparing sets to keep your caloric consume high.